Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the tomato egg fried rice, a sweet and savory dish that combines juicy tomatoes, scrambled eggs and rice. To begin, prepare the eggs. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a pan. Add in 2 beaten eggs seasoned with salt. Stir fry the eggs. Remove to a plate and chop them into small pieces. Fried rice is always cooked on a high flame. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Do not brown. Next, add in 2 large tomatoes, diced. Cook until they soften a bit, but they should not be mushy. Next, add in 1.5 cups pre-boiled rice. A day-old boiled rice works best for this recipe. Now add in the sauces. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. You can skip if you want. 1/4 cup tomato sauce and 2 teaspoons chili sauce. Add in a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well. Add in 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and a teaspoon of sugar. Cook for a minute or 2 until the juices dry up a bit. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Finally, add in the eggs and mix. If you find the pieces too large, break them down into smaller ones. The tomato egg fried rice is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.